This was my first flight with my DJI Air 2S. I've previously flown a mini Mavic in this park and never been able to get footage like this. This footage isn't brilliant because it was going a bit dark. It was after 9:30 at night, but I'm still really pleased with the quality of it. The controller is far superior. You don't need to be looking up at the sky every 2 minutes. You can really see what's going on from the controller. Good manoeuvrability. I wasn't stressed at all, wondering where the drone was. So that was a benefit. Anything else really I can think about? I did speed her up in the editing here, and also I did take advantage of the zoom facility. All this I've got to learn how to perfect, but you know, it'll give me something to do on these hot days. Anyway, you can't go any further in this local park because of the airspace regulations. I have got a flyer ID and I have registered my drone, so I do feel comfortable being able to use it in this environment. There wasn't anybody about because it was the hottest day of the year, so that was quite fortunate as well. I was surprised that I did lose signal when it got halfway across the park here. I would like to have continued, but that may have been down to me restricting the distance it could fly, because obviously with my first flight using this drone, I didn't want to go too far. So that's something I'll have to look at. Anyway, thanks for watching this short video. If you'd like to follow me on my journey, learning more, please subscribe.